Hello guys, this is myself. I'm Akshay Kumar right now. I'm founder of Argroupsolutions. So now let's start about the simple topic. Before starting off my tutorials, I would like to tell us you about what is GitHub and Git Bash. What is Git and GitHub? What do you mean by Git and GitHub? Git is nothing but it is a code control version. Code control. Okay. GitHub. What do you mean by GitHub? GitHub is nothing but like host your code. What do you mean by this? This is nothing but like what are the code you write in a Git by the help of Git. Not Git. Git is not like nothing but it's a mediator. You can also call it in simple words. It's a mediator between sending of the code to GitHub repositories. Okay. I'll tell you I'll tell you commands further everything in next session, like next class. Now I'm going to only give you introduction what is the difference between Git and GitHub. Okay. In simple, Git is nothing but when you write some code, it stores a user data. Okay. User data in the sense like which developer. I'm going to write DB. Okay. Developer as in DB. Okay. DB developer. So from further I'm going to use DB. Okay. Developer. Think like I wrote this hello world program. Okay. Hello world program. So in simple, I'm going to use a git commands, git. There's a users, we have user, and this you need to write your name over here. Like this is other commands. I'm going to explain you all about commands in next class, not right now. I'm going to give small explanation to it. So myself, I'm Akshay Kumar right now, right? So I'm writing Akshay. So when I'm going to check my when I'm going to GitHub page, not GitHub, okay? On a hosting page, I'll check out who wrote this program, print hello world program. I'm going to write shortcut, okay? Who wrote this program? So it will show us this was written by Akshay Kumar, okay, Akshay Kumar, and so date and time. It has every version control. Like I was talking about just now, version, right? Version control. So it explains about these things by version control. Okay, nothing but that was given by Git. Okay, I'm clear about this topic, right? So now what is Git also? In Git we can do one thing, like using Git commands we can push, pull, merge. So I'm going to explain you one by one. Okay. First one, let's see what is push. Push is nothing but what are the code you have changes, right? Changes. Like if you think you have changed this up program, okay? We wrote hello world program, right? When you change this hello world program, something like you added a Python to that, like hello world Python, okay? So we'll do push. We'll try to change this and push to our GitHub repository. I mean GitHub. I have some GitHub repository. I'm going to show you after this teaching of the completion of this 3 sentences. I'm going to show what is GitHub and how to install Git. Okay, Git Bash terminal. Or still you can work on PowerShell also. PowerShell. Okay. I'm going to tell you all these things right now in this class. So when you push this code, it automatically go to your GitHub repository. Okay. GitHub repository. I'm going to write repo. Okay. This is nothing but repository. Now we have another command called pull. What do you mean by pull? What is pull? Think like this is your GitHub, okay, GitHub page. In this you have a repository called Python repository, okay. Your repository name is Python, okay. In the Python you have some folder k.py, okay. We always save the Python files in k.py, okay. So you have made some changes, in that there was already existing file called print subdj, okay. So you have changed this file through this, not through the code, you have changed through the GitHub portal. You have changed directly. We have an option where we can edit the code in the GitHub page also. I'm going to show you in next class, not right now. Just understand what I'm just saying to you, theory parts. So you change these things right now to DJ1. Okay. In that time, this GitHub works with this is like cloud server. Cloud. Okay. Cloud. Whereas what is the push we done? We done in offline mode. And we wrote the code and we use this push function and we pushed it. So we finally pushed this code. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry for interruption right now. So we have pushed this code to GitHub. Okay, GitHub. I think a lot of scratches are here right now. I'm going to make it clear. 1 second. I'm going to re-explain this one thing once again. I'm going to take a new for you little down. So we wrote the code print hello. Okay, in our local system. This is we wrote in local system. Okay. If you want to make it to the cloud, that is nothing but GitHub. So we use command called push. We'll push this code to the GitHub page of your repository, RPOS repositories. Okay. By mistakenly you have directly changed your the repository through the GitHub portal, not with local system. Okay, we change through GitHub portal. Okay, so now what we'll do, think like this is already kp file, k.py file. Okay, now what we'll do, we want to change this. Initially this was initially okay, initially file print, there was a file called dj. Okay, dj. Now you have changed this file to print.dj1. okay, dj1. So at that moment we changed to the cloud server. This was like stored in cloud, right? Cloud of your repository. Okay, repository. Now in simple, this is quite simple right now, just understand carefully. So if you want like, if you want this in your local system to get it right, we're going to use command called, sorry guys for my handwriting, command called pull. Just now we used to like push our code to our repository, right? Now we're going to use a command called push. Sorry, I'm going to use a command called like pull from cloud to local system. Okay, this is all about the pull and push. So well, I'm going to show you what right now real time, what is like real time of these things. So this is called like, basically this is my like GitHub page. So you can, if you want like check out my GitHub page, you can still check out my GitHub page like Akshay Kumar. I'll go over here. So have like, basically for you people, I just posted one like there's a GitHub practice sheet. Okay, when you go through this, you can find all GitHub like cheats, how to start your tutorial, what to do. Even like I'll cover in next topic about this thing, how to make a like GitHub account and how to do the things. This is a basic understanding how GitHub looks to you. Further, everything, what are the assignments I'm going to assign to you, you need to upload to this GitHub page. Okay, well, now checking on to Git. To install Git, just type in a Google call Git. Just press Git. Go to download. Okay, go to download and just download from here. This is all about today's tutorial. Thank you guys. Thank you.